Step into a world of neon glamour, marble floors, and endless entertainment. Welcome to the Peppermill Resort in Reno, where old-school Vegas elegance meets modern luxury. If you've ever wondered what sets this resort apart from the rest, you're about to find out. The Peppermill doesn't just dazzle from the outside, it completely immerses you. From the moment you walk into the lobby, the glowing ambience and intricate Italian-inspired design grab your attention. Think vibrant mosaics, cascading fountains, and digital art displays that transform every corner into a photo-worthy moment. Once you hit the casino floor, you'll see why Peppermill is a favorite among travelers and locals. With over 1,500 slot machines, table games, and a race and sports book that rivals the best in Nevada, it's easy to lose track of time. Yet, there's a laid-back vibe here, less overwhelming than Vegas, more immersive than your average hotel. But the Peppermill isn't just about the games. Its lounges and dining spots are legendary. The Fireside Lounge, with its circular fire pit and retro glam, is an iconic place to sip a cocktail or unwind with friends. For a meal you won't forget, head to Bimini Steakhouse or indulge in global flavors at the award-winning Oceano. Brunch? The Island Buffet will make you rethink hotel dining. For those seeking relaxation, the Spa Toscana is a 3-story sanctuary. The Caldarium, with its heated indoor pool and Roman-inspired architecture, feels like stepping into another era. And if you want to stay active, the state-of-the-art fitness center and outdoor pool are perfect for balancing indulgence with wellness. Rooms at the Peppermill are equally impressive. The Tuscany Tower offers expansive views, plush bedding, and soaking tubs that make your stay feel indulgent from start to finish. So, is the Peppermill Reno on your must-visit list yet, or have you already experienced its vibrant charm?